What's up, y'all? It's Friday at the shop. You know what I'm saying? We hanging out. This is gonna be another episode about the FD, and some fat guy on the team got a new car. Is that a bad intro? Is that a bad intro? Oh, we just skipped straight through it. All right. So my dog Haitian, he joined 4-door gang. 4-door gang, 4 doors and more horrors. You know how I go. What you got here? What you got here? You tell him what you got.
Man, you know, this little IS300.
What kind of motor that is? A 3JZ? Because this one don't look like no 2JZ.
See, you put a 1 and then a J and then a Z on that motor.
That's not even the good stuff.
You're gonna do something. It's gonna work.
What you gonna do with this?
I think the chicken's here.
I'm gonna just throw it everywhere, into walls and shit. I don't care.
You gonna crash it like all your other drift cars?
Yeah, and then throw it in the back of Lake Monster.
Anyways, he got 1J IS300. We're gonna be changing some stuff soon, like tomorrow, maybe. Right, Sean? No? Alright, cool. Yeah, so you guys are IS, you know, trying to stunt. So I'm gonna have to put the G in his door one time real quick, show him what's up, flex on him. You know he gonna make it clean. He probably gonna put some old big old spinny things, shiny things on there. But what we really here for is we're just hanging out at the shop, but we finna work on the FD. That is not pizza. Joey, say what's up.
Yo, what up? Cheetos and ice cream. YouTube people, what up? What up, YouTube?
What's up? What's up? The whole gang in here tonight. Steve.
What up?
We waited this whole time for no chicken.
No chicken. I thought y'all went for chicken.
Yeah, but
Sterling, I hope you watch this, bro. And you did not let us know the chicken man was out of country. Out of country. CJ, good thing you didn't come, bro, because CJ said he was only coming for chicken.
you take out.
But anyways,
Take out.
so we here for this mainly. Damn, can I talk?
Popeye was 15 cars deep, bro.
Hey, y'all gonna let me vlog or no?
No.
So what we finna eat?
Inside was heavy. Yo, call your hands up, Mark.
Y'all know who this is?
I know you know somebody at Waffle, bro.
No, I want no damn, what that is, Cheeto. This is my 20.
If we get pizza,
Alright, anyways,
We holla at that.
holla at that.
Yo,
What's up?
YouTube family, what up?
how you got ice cream?
Joey D right here. You know, Joey Crack. Joey with the backpack. Mean Green. Mean Green, trap machine. Old skinny ass nigga.
Then we got these guys. For the third time, anyways, what we're really here for is updates on the FD. Anyways, so the real reason why we're here is for this, updates on FD. He came out of nowhere. Where your monster hoodie at?
Brace. Savior of the universe.
Taking the L, taking the L. Yes, I got my chorus back there. We doing the thing. Spectacular lawn show up to cut my lawn in the dark.
321-333-2427. Hit me up.
Single.
Bingo.
Okay. Anyways, all right. So
Slot machines.
to the update. I did the engine bay harness. That's what I left out. That's not going back in. So it's nice and tucked. It's going up here, going down, going around. Clean. Radiator behind there. We tucked away the fuse box nicely over here. I'll put a ground right there. Yeah, I got everything. Everything works. We got to test it. Obviously, I ran out of tape. Didn't finish doing the end, but I think what we'll do now is put the engine back in it, so I can start doing fabrication. So, on with it. All right, well, y'all see, last night turned into a hangout. We didn't really get much done. The engine's still here. The car's still over there. I'm here in the morning without everybody. I'm gonna bust it out real quick. I'm gonna try to get the engine down, bolt tranny back on it, and I'm gonna just put it in the car real quick so I can start fab work on like the intercooler piping and possibly the exhaust. And I should be getting engine harness delivered today from Haltech, so I could probably start that. All right, let's get the day started. All right, so time to put the engine in. George showed up just in time to give me a hand. We're gonna take the engine down and bolt the transmission to it and then stick it in the car real quick. Look at that. Oh, it's in there. I really, I want this going. Hold on. Looks better without this. Ah, cam gears. Now I look like a real Jay-Z guy now. It's at home. Steve showed back up.
I'm here.
Haitian's up early for once.
Surprisingly.
It's early. The doors are still closed.
It's AM.
But yeah, it's in there, so time to start fabbing some stuff up. Yeah, so I started running the cooler pipe in, and I'm gonna use these vibrant clamps. That'll give it a real good look. I already welded the first half onto the throttle body. So yeah, that'll make it nice and clean. Like that. Look at that. It's gonna look real good. So hopefully we can get the intercooler pipe and finish today. One pipe down, one more to go. This thing's a pain in the ass, but it fits pretty tight. I'll show y'all here. All right, so the first charge pipe is done. Goes down and around. One vibrant clamp up top, one coupler at the intercooler. I had to use a couple of my used intercooler piping to save money, you know how that goes, but I got a new one up top, nice and shiny. We're gonna move over to the turbo side now. I'll get the compressor mounted and we'll cast elbow on there, and I'll probably end up using another vibrant clamp right at the turbo. Mid piping making this guy sleeping on me. Oh, glass. Anyways, long days, long nights. We got it right. Damn.
Super tight.
Shit's crazy. Crazy looking.
It goes from 2.5 to 3.
2.5 to 3. It flows nice. Damn, it's starting to look like a show car already.
On hot side, cold side is what, 3?
Yeah.
Vibrant everything.
Weld that up. Then I gotta get that guy running for tomorrow. Alrighty. All the piping's done. Intercooler, left and right. That's kind of funky, but we'll take that. That's how it's gonna look all together. We did get his car running, by the way. I don't know why he's still on the lift. Why you still on the lift, bro?
My camera was on this one.
We about to go have a little bit of fun day Sunday in the sedans. He ain't gonna have no door. He's gonna enjoy the bang up door gang, right?
I already got a car with a banged up door.
Okay. Alright, that'll be it for this video. We'll see you guys next time. Like, share, subscribe. He's still ugly. Where you at, Sean? Tell him something, bro.
He's sleeping.
He'll never say nothing. I think he against my channel. Ugly ass.